Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set schedule update for plugin, theme or WordPress core using plugin in WordPress. So we are going to update plugin, theme or WordPress core on specific date on twice daily. It's mean 12-hour interval, 2 updates per day, or you can set daily or you can set weekly or you can set monthly, so it's up to you. So you can set day also. For weekly you can set weekday also. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin, then in search plugin write WP auto updater. So this is plugin WP auto updater we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see dashboard and then you see auto updater, so click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see WordPress version. Now you see auto update scenario WordPress core. Drop down you see multiple option, so you can select according to your requirement. Now you see theme, manual update, so auto updater, so auto update, plugin, auto update, translation, auto update, and then you see next update, update interval twice. So you can set daily or you can set weekly. Now in weekday you see Monday, you see all weekday, so you can select according to requirement, and then you see your 24-hour format, and then you can set minute also for weekly. If you want you can set monthly, you see month, day, now you see all. So we set weekly and then weekday Monday and set 4 a.m. If you want you can add minute, and then you see disable auto update. If you want you can disable auto update manually. Now you see you can select theme like this, so auto update will not work on Hello Elementor and 2025 theme, so it's up to you. Also you see disable auto update plugin, select a plugin that you do not want to auto update. You see all plugin we have, so you can select according to requirement if you want, and then click on save changes. Also you see notification, if you want you can enable it. Now you see all. Now setting saved. Now you see we set weekly, so you can do setting according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.